Clean India, Green India.
ग्रीन इंडिया
Clean India, Green India.
और ऐसे मत बोलिए. Our responsibility is that
Our responsibility is that
it means louder, balanced, slower. ये है voice. So let's start from today.
so let's start from today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You have been tantalizing audience of the day.
You have been great audience of the day.
Yes, Zabardast. And presentation is not about speaking at a speed. Presentation is all about connecting to the audience. It's about conveying the exact message. It's about grabbing the audience. It's about persuading the audience. It's about convincing the audience. It's about making people understand the actual fact. But the moment you think, hey भैया यहीं फंस रहा हूँ, वहीं पे unnecessary conjunction इस्तेमाल कर लिया करो. For example, तो ये जो मैं इस्तेमाल करूँ for example, ये भी for example भी मुझे सोचवा रहा है कि क्या example रखना है. तो it is very important to use unnecessary conjunctions. Like, as you know, for example, what happens that sometime, oh my goodness, let me tell you, you know what? These kind of things you use, it helps you think ahead what you have to speak actually. तो कोशिश करें, अगर पॉज हो रहे हैं बहाना करने की कोशिश करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिविक सेंस आउटसाइड. ओ माई गॉड, इन द ट्रैफिक पीपल स्टार्ट हॉन्किंग. माई गुडनेस गाइस, मैं ये जो कर रहा हूं ना झूठ का कर रहा हूं. आई एम थिंकिंग व्हाट टू स्पीक मोर एक्चुअली, राइट? माई गुडनेस गाइस, yesterday I was in Dandaiya Bazaar, I was standing there and people were honking again and again. One Dada was passing there, Dada was doing like this. भाई मैं तो गया ही नहीं था डंडे के बाजार, लेकिन फिर भी रखा गया हाइपोथेटिकल एग्जांपल सिर्फ जनता को खींचने के लिए. यही आपको अच्छा प्रवक्ता और एवं वार्ता करने वाला बनाता है. वार्ता बोले तो कम्युनिकेशन. ठीक है, तो आइए उसी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं यार. इट इज थर्सडे टुडे. We have presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome a very experienced Mahila of this class. Miss Rishu के पीछे यूनुस भाई, please come on the stage. Oh, he's not Mahila, I'm sorry. Please come here. And last but not least, guys, excuse me, everybody, can you hear me or not? Yes, sir. Whenever there are three things, guys. L, yes, sir. B and S. It means louder, balanced, slower. Louder, balanced, slower. ये है voice. Yes. जब हम अच्छे समझना, स्पेशली पब्लिक प्रेजेंटेशन में, जब भी हम जनता को या फिर पब्लिक को ब्लेम कर रहे हो तो लाउडर होना पड़ेगा. Yes. ये आपकी वजह से हो रहा है, आप फॉलो नहीं करते हो. You have to be louder, right? Yes. जैसे इंफॉर्मेटिव हो, कुछ सूचनात्मक हो, तो बैलेंस्ड वॉइस हो जाएगी. अंडरस्टूड? यस, आई अंडरस्टूड. वेरी नाइस. और जब भी कुछ भावनात्मक चीजें, इमोशनल बातें आ जाएगी, तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा? स्लोअर हो जाएगा, स्लो हो जाएगा, एकदम आवाज दबी हो जाएगी. लाइक ओ माय गॉड, मेनी पीपल डाई बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. तो उसमें स्लो हो जाएंगे आप. इसको थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा. ओके सर. द टाइम इज योर्स, यूनुस. कम ऑन, एंजॉय योर प्रेजेंटेशन. कम ऑन.
Civic sense means the sense of responsibility and discipline.
Good. Good.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we all are sitting here to talk a beautiful topic. But before that, I would like to pay my humble gratitude to our respected sir. Thanks a million, sir, for having me this opportunity to convey my thought in front of all of you.
बहुत.
Civic sense means the sense of responsibility and discipline that a person shows while living in society. While living in society,
Yes.
yeah, it means following rules, keeping our surrounding clean, and respecting elders. Yeah. So we knows.
We know.
Yeah, we know we should throw garbage into the dustbin.
Oh, yeah. Blame karo. Yes.
Yeah. And keep park clean and stop when red light is on. These are rules. But when the people throw garbage into the dustbin without seeing anyone.
ब्लेम करो, ये ब्लेम है ना,
Yes, without seeing anyone.
लाउडर ब्लेम है, तेज हो जाएगा।
Without seeing anyone.
Anything.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is not because of rules,
Yes.
but because of their empathy. But because of their empathy and concern for others.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Civic sense means not only following rules. It means about understanding how my action affect others.
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे।
It
Yeah.
means
Yeah.
how my action affect others. So we should be kind, we should be energetic, we should be considerate towards others. So rules can tell us what to do. Rules can tell us
Rules
what to
can tell. Come on, थोड़ा और चढ़ के जाओ।
Rules can tell us
Yeah.
what to do,
Yeah.
and empathy tell us why should we do it.
आए है, very nice, बहुत अच्छे, मजा आ गई, मजा आ गई।
So that's all about that.
हाँ, तो बोलिए, यही लाइन फिर से बोल के प्यार से बोलिए। That's all about today, everybody. Thank you so
all
much.
about today.
वही लाइन फिर से बोलिए, empathy.
Yes, sir. So rules can tell us what to do, and empathy tell us why we should do it.
Thank you so much,
Thank
everybody.
you so much, everybody.
You all have been, हाँ?
You all have been a great audience of the day.
ठीक है, अच्छी कोशिश, very nice, very nice. बहुत अच्छा, please sit down. Yeah, the content was superb. The way Yunus Bhai tried his best, great thing. But I always say only one thing, that make yourself quite presentable, guys. In the same Aminabad market, so many shopkeepers are there, but some of them are earning a lot of money and some of them are killing makhi there. I mean, do you know killing makhi? Like they are sitting idle. Exactly. Why? Because their representation is very good. Hey chacha, hey bahini, hey dadi, आइए. Excuse me, आप ही का इंतजार था, चाची बैठिए ना. The way they are selling, oh my goodness, people go there. और कुछ लोग बस खाली बैठे. आपकी अंग्रेजी जो है ना, सेम इंग्लिश, इनकी भी हो सकती है, उनकी भी हो सकती है, उनकी भी हो सकती है, लेकिन आपकी इंग्लिश थोड़ा सा ना प्रेजेंटेबल बनानी है, तो आपको थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंटेबल दिखानी, कहीं ये फॉर्मूला प्लीज इस्तेमाल करो। ब्लेम कर रहे हो, लाउडर हो जाओ, इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हो, बैलेंस्ड, स्लोअर व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग समथिंग दैट इज इमोशनल। लेट्स इनवाइट द नेक्स्ट वन, एवरीबॉडी, कम ऑन, यू आर इन दिस बैच। It says Tatha. Can you wait for a while in office? I will call you. Wait, please. Yeah, let's welcome the next person, excuse me, who wants to come here. Koni, let's welcome a girl who has been damn prominent in this batch. She comes late, goes early. Do you know who she is, of course? She is, of course, Miss Rishu. Please come. Yes, Rishu.
Healthy minds make green India. Good morning to everyone.
Wait. पहली जो लाइन है ना उसमें दो साउंड लाइए. Healthy minds make India green.
Healthy minds make India green.
दोनों साउंड सेम है. Healthy minds make India green.
Healthy minds make India green.
ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट. कंटिन्यू.
One more try.
हाँ, प्लीज कम ऑन, अच्छा होगा.
Healthy minds make India green.
नहीं तो कुछ सब्जेक्ट रखिए इसको. Healthy minds make India green. चलिए.
Healthy minds make India green.
सब्जेक्ट को लाउड रखिए, दूसरा प्यार से बोल दीजिए.
ठीक है.
Healthy minds make India green. देखो पहला
From
बोल
garbage to compost. It's easy.
दिस लाइन इज ऑल्सो इजी. इट्स अबाउट साउंड. इससे जनता थोड़ा हिचाती है, रियल दिखती है लैंग्वेज. चलिए मेरे प्रैक्टिस करें ना, मेरी तरह कॉपी करिए. हेल्दी माइंड्स
Healthy minds
मेक
make India green.
हाँ, फिर से बोलिए. गुड मॉर्निंग सर. सर प्लीज सिट डाउन सर. यू आर वेरी लेट सर. अच्छा 8 o'clock. ठीक.
Healthy minds make India green.
तू काहे हंस रही हो जी?
Sir, energy down हो गई.
जूस ले आओ. Yes.
Topic, I forget.
Healthy minds.
Make India green.
हाँ, चलिए continue.
Good morning to everyone. I am here to speak about topic on civic sense.
Civil sense.
Civic sense.
Of course.
Firstly, I would like to thank to sir to give me a chance to speak about this topic in front of you all.
Right.
So, civic sense. Do you know about civic sense? Civic sense means
Behaving responsibly.
behaving responsible as a citizen. We have responsibility towards our nation, our society,
Yes,
and
yes.
towards ourselves also.
Yeah.
Civic sense is not only for not relate to following rules towards our society.
Yeah.
It's start from ourselves.
Yeah.
We are responsible for our society, at our home also.
Yes. Yes.
Everything starts from inside.
Yeah.
When we are responsible at our home, it's come outside and make awareness towards all us, towards our society, with our society.
Yes. Yes.
Here I follow DPP rules, domestic, personal and professional.
बहुत अच्छे. Very nice.
From garbage to compost. When we follow a rule to collect, like our government, always aware about don't litter outside and keep all the garbage in separate way, like a green and blue, dry and wet. I take a point from garbage to compost. When we separate our home garbage into different parts and falling towards and making a compost, it helps us grow economically also and saving our society from pollution. When we not throw
When we
out-
don't throw. When we not need. When we don't throw.
when we don't throw outside and it make our society clean.
Of course. Very nice. बहुत
Like
अच्छे.
this initiative start from Indore. We see a cleanest city of India, of Madhya Pradesh and all over the India.
बहुत अच्छे. जबरदस्त.
In Indore, there is a lot of awareness in every part of a city, starting from municipal party, municipal corporation
Eye
of
contact, eye contact.
Indore.
Eye contact. Huh?
They separate all the garbage from home. They collect all the garbage from every home, every society, and every commercial building, and separate and make useful for commercial and used as commercially make India grow economically also. And they collect garbage collection and making compost awareness start from there also. And nowadays there are a lot of influencers also influenced from this campaign and make home compost. When we don't get chance from society to collect our garbage and make compost, we initiate from our home also. When we start separating our garbage in home and make compost and used in our home plant,
Of course. Very nice.
we have a fruitful result from our home. And we met with when we start meeting with our people and start telling to others, and they also start. Every initiative start from ourselves.
Yes.
And we always think about that, why one change from ourselves is not change our society. Why should not we think that from one initiative if our society change, it will be good. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Thank God. She was speaking good. Only one problem is there. This
Sir,
point. Why are you breathing?
Sir, I feel like I pressure myself. I push myself to speak loud.
No, it's okay. But you did well job. And I was indicating, please look at people, look at people. Or you were looking Wali Azhar bhai, I don't know why.
No, sir.
Yes.
It feel like I see him, but I don't see anyone.
No, he was like, oh my God, why is he looking at me only? अरे he was. उम्मीद करते हैं कि बहुत जल्द ये थोड़ा सा ब्रीदिंग इशू कम हो जाए, राइट? क्योंकि हल्फलाहट हल्के से दिख रही थी. You need to enjoy the presentation, guys. Come on. You don't need to pressurize. In the starting of the presentation, I told you, जहाँ पे लग रहा pause करने का pause करो. Like I paused right now. Exactly. अब जहाँ पे लग रहा pause करो, क्या pause कर लो ना, आराम से सोच के बोलो क्या दिक्कत. Let's welcome the next one. Excuse me, who wants to come here? Right? So have a smiley face while talking. But when you talk something very खड़ूस type things, then you can become खड़ूस. क्योंकि facial expression एकदम same था. ना उसको improve किया जाए. But very informative यार. You rightly and truly said people eat peanuts in the compartment of railway and they make actually Mount Everest. They make a Mount Everest in the coach actually, right? They don't have civic sense right at all. So do you do that or not? Do you also do that? You did it. Because have you seen one thing? Whenever you enter in the washroom of train, call me. Number they have given. Bandana, I love you. I miss you. वहाँ पुराना प्यार पढ़े. इतनी प्यारी प्यारी बातें लिखी रहती है. बार बार संपर्क करें. बताइए. खैर कोई नहीं. Let's invite the next one, everybody. He is a doctor by profession. And of course, he has been certified by the appreciation certificate at so many medical stores. Yes, of course. Let's welcome Mr. Shasikant. Please, Mr. Enjoy.
Our responsibility is that to make clean India, green India.
Green India.
Clean India, green India. Yes.
और ऐसे मत बोलिए. Our responsibility is that.
Our responsibility is that to make clean India, green India. Clean India.
Our responsibility is that.
Our responsibility is that
To make
to make
India green and clean.
India green and clean.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
So a very good morning to all of you, and good morning, sir.
Good morning.
And I hope you are fit and fine.
Yes.
Today I am here and very happy because this is the first class to.
When you're telling that you're happy, then be happy also. Exactly.
I will
Today
try.
I'm very happy. Come on.
So I will try, but not facial expression not.
नहीं देखो जो आप कह रहे हो कि आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. तुम खुश थोड़ा दिखिए. आप तो टेंशन में दिख रहे हैं. कोई बात नहीं.
So before going on the main topic,
Yes.
I would like to pay thanks, sir,
कितना धन्यवाद. Exactly right. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. हाँ.
to speak here front of you.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
the topic is that to civic sense. What is the civic sense? I forget because I feel pressurized, so I am so sorry for that. The topic is the civic sense. What is the civic sense? Civic sense means our responsibility is that to help each other to and talk politely.
Talk politely.
Talk politely. Today when I came in coaching, so I saw many people are throwing garbage in public place. But this is not good for our. But this is not good for our society, because this is not good for behave to throw garbage in public place. And second thing is, yesterday I went in Aminabad and I saw a car, a member driving a car without following the rule.
Oh.
I saw there is a red light, but he is not stop that car.
He did not stop the car.
But he did not stop the car there. But he is a cross.
He crossed.
He crossed suddenly.
He did not, of course, if he understood. Yeah, exactly, yeah.
But this is not good because that time maybe happening other thing.
Accident can occur.
Maybe
Accident can take place.
accident
take place, yeah.
Can take place.
Yeah.
So according to me, this is not. You have to follow this rule.
Exactly.
This is the civic sense.
Yeah.
So that's all about me. You have been
That's
a great.
all about
That's all about me. You have been a great audience of the day.
Chaliye boliye, my friends.
My friends.
Oh, it's zabardast. My friends.
My friends.
The civic sense
The civic sense
should be
should be
your first priority.
your first priority.
Because
it
makes you.
makes you.
It builds you.
You beats you.
So my friends,
So my friends,
let's start from today.
let's start
From today. Because
because
the civic sense
the civic sense
does not start only from society.
does not start from your society.
Does not only start from society.
Does not only start from your society. But
It starts from you.
it starts from you.
It starts from me.
It starts from me.
It starts from us.
It starts from
So
us.
let's start from today.
So let's start from today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You have been tantalizing audience of the day.
You have been great audience of the day.
Yes, Zabardast. कोई बात नहीं. Please sit down. Very nice, very nice.